Hello there, and welcome to this series where we are going to use Python to study the Greek modes in music. So the Greek modes is a very important and interesting topic, but it can be a bit tricky if you learn it in a way that can be misleading, and then you can make false assumptions or learn the concepts not in a very solid way. So we are going to use Python to help us to study the Greek modes. And during the next episodes, we are going to learn how to configure Google Colab. So we install all the necessary packages and libraries that we're going to use, and we're going to import some packages. Then we start using the major scale as a parent scale, and we will derive all modes based on this parent scale. Oh, there are some functions here where we will start with the major scale, then we can listen, we see the intervals, then we will derive the Dorian mode, which is the second degree. If we start deriving our modes starting on the second degree of the major scale, we will get our Dorian mode, and we will see the intervals that are characteristics of the Dorian mode. Then we will also listen to the Dorian mode, and then we will compare the differences between the Dorian mode and the common major and natural minor scales, so we can also have this feeling of how the mode is changing from this major scale or the minor scale, how they relate, what are the differences, what are the characteristic intervals or the characteristics that make this mode different than the major and the minor scale. Later we will continue and we'll go through all different modes, and I hope you enjoy this series.